Hi guys! For newbies who are just starting to run Facebook ads, you will definitely have a headache with the terms via, clone or BM. So, in today's video, I will summarize and explain to you the Facebook ads terms in the simplest way. Let's start with the terms via. Via stands for Verified Information Account, which is an account that has verified its identity. All advertising accounts on Facebook must go through this step. You need to upload documents such as citizen ID, driver's license, to verify with Facebook that you are a real user. Via will be divided into many types. For example, aged account is the type that has been created and used for more than 4 years. On the contrary, new account is the type of via that has been newly created and used for less than 4 years. Aged account will definitely be more expensive than new account. Similarly, there will be US, UK or Canada accounts and Asian accounts. Depending on the needs as well as the target market, you can find to buy via from that market. In addition to the classification by time or country, via is also divided by violation errors such as 902, 273 or 956. These accounts, after being protested, have a high level of trust, are rarely locked and are often used to hold BM, hold page or hold advertising account. For example, via 902 is a type of via that is resistant to the link with the number ending in 902. The main violations are logging in multiple devices on the same account, IP is blacklisted, reported, etc. Via 273 is an advertising account that is disabled due to violating Facebook's advertising policy. To resist the account, you must use a link ending in 273, so it is called via 273 for easy remembering. Similarly, via 956. These accounts often have checkpoint errors, are locked due to unusual activity and can be unlocked with the accompanying email. If you see the seller write via 902 live ads, it means that the account has resisted 902 and the advertising account is still alive. In addition to via, we also have clones. If via is a real user account that has been hacked or scanned for information, then clones are virtual accounts, with blank information and no interaction. The selling price of clones is quite cheap but the trust not high. If you buy a clone account and want to use it for a long time, you have to soak it and change the information for that account, like changing the name, avatar, cover. Similarly, when you buy via, you also have to soak it by watching videos, liking, commenting, to increase interaction. The time to soak via is about 2 to 3 weeks. Next are the terms related to BM. BM is the abbreviation of Business Manager. Simply put, it is a business management program on Facebook. BM is used to manage business accounts, personal accounts, advertising accounts, fan pages, and ad pixels. BM accounts are mainly classified by spending limit and number of advertising accounts. For example, BM $50 is an account with a maximum spending limit of $50 per day. BM $350 are business accounts with a maximum spending limit of $350 per day. Meanwhile, BM 5, BM 10 or BM 2500 are business accounts with 5, 10 or 2500 advertising accounts available in BM. The larger the spending limit of a BM account, the more expensive it is. Next are the terms about Fanpage. Old Fanpage is a page that was created a long time ago, at least 4 years or more, similar to a Facebook account. The older the page, the more expensive it is. Resistant Fanpage is a type of page that Facebook restricts advertising but then resists. Profile Fanpage is a new type of Facebook fanpage. Almost all newly created Facebook fan pages are of this type. There is also a type of fan page that guarantees to change the name, meaning that you can buy a page about changing name freely, no worries about being limited by Facebook. In addition, there are some terms that you need to pay attention to as follows. VOI account is an invoice account, a business account with a high spending level from $20,000 to $40,000 per month. Depending on the reputation of the business, the credit level on the account will have different payment limits. Discounted running, that is, when you want to run an ad with a budget of about 10 million, but in reality you only pay the runner from 50 to 70%, is actually pay from 5 to 7 million, of course pay the runner for you, not pay directly to Facebook. In addition, there is a type of running without paying. Simply put, you run Facebook ads but do not pay. In 2016, Facebook ads blocked most Vietnamese accounts that added PayPal for payment. because people who run without paying often use PayPal to default on debt. This is why many newbies are often flagged by Facebook ads when adding PayPal as a payment method. Another term is ads that have eaten money. Simply put, Facebook has spent your money. After the campaign is approved, Facebook will start to spend your money. Many times, even though you have set up a campaign but have not eaten money, it may be because your ad content violates Facebook's policies. At this point, you need to check your content to see if it is appropriate. Above, I have just summarized for you the most commonly used terms by ads runners. Mainly these terms are related to how to call via BM Fanpage. Newbies often have difficulty understanding these terms. Hopefully my video has helped you summarize common terms when running Facebook ads. If you want me to post a video about any topic, please comment below. Thank you for watching the whole video. See you in the next videos.